Nice one! One more nail! Pull it out!
Heads up, Cody!
Got it! That makes 3. shooting saw blades? Really? Gonna need a boost, May! Look at him fly! I think I'm gonna be sick! You know, you two have pretty good teamwork.
I don't know about that.
toolbox! Both of you, come on! Help me break it open! I don't think it's like that! Get up, hurry! It's getting away, we have to catch it!
Oh, let's get that grimy toolbox.
Hang in there, tool buddies! We're coming to save you! Toolbox, stop playing hard to catch! You'll never get away with this, you stupid toolbox! Hey, watch those nails! Oh, that's gotta hurt!
Move it!
Go easy on me!
Ah!
He's getting away! Faster, May, faster!
Trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed. Toby, hop on and finish off that spray can.
ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh,
It tickles. It tickles.
huh.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, woohoo! I feel brand new!
Look at me. I'm whole. I'm whole. You saved us from that rust and toolbox. Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
Oh, what?
Whoa.
Oh,
Flexible.
Step on board.
really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
No, 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 no! Help us out! Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here!
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, May! Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Check out my moves, May!
Yeah, very cool, but just don't fall off!
Ah, don't worry. I'm pretty good at this.
Me too! Woohoo! We need to time this together.
All right, one more time. look, it's your old binoculars.
Amazing! Let's find Rose.
Oh, Rose. Yeah, we need to find her.
Oh, yes, I know we look like dolls, but we're actually her parents.
I know who you are. Nothing escapes my lenses. Look.
What, in here? All right, okay. Let's see, Oh! Oh, I look dead. Am I dead?
You're not dead.
What's going on? Oh, no. What's the matter with us?
All I know is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
Just like that? You didn't see anything else?
Well, there was one unusual thing.
Why? What happened?
She was crying.
Oh.
I know, quite unusual for Rose, but I am 100% sure because I could see her tears falling onto the dolls.
Tears were falling onto the dolls. Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Don't be ridiculous, Cody. We've got to apply logic.
May, okay? We are having a conversation with a pair of binoculars. All right. There is no logic in that.
For goodness sake, I don't even believe in spells.
Okay, well, did you believe that you could be turned into a wooden doll? Huh? Exactly. It had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
So, if it is a spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me and Rose, we read all about this spell stuff. I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some space, I need to think. Okay, so if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it... Oh. In order to break it, we have to reverse it through her tears! Boom!
Right.
Okay, we basically have to find her and make her cry on us again.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Do you know where to find her, Miss Binoculars?
She's in her room. Go on.
Okay, thanks. Come on, May.
Oh, but how do we get to her room from here?
Easy, we just climb the tree.
Oh, this way.
What? You're never gonna make that jump.
Yeah? Watch me. Oh, God damn it!
Coming through, lovebirds! Whoa!
Oh.
Come on over!
Well, throw us the rope. It's too far.
Cody, where there is love, no distance is too far.
Oh, shut up and just throw us the rope.
Okay, man, relax. Come on, huh? You want the rope? You want the rope? Come on, you want it? You want it? Come on, take it! Woo! Woo!
All right, let's swing across.
Again? Oh, I told Rose not to throw her shoes up here.
Oops. I told her I did that when I was a kid.
So you're the guilty one.
She's outgrown them anyway. Did you build a treehouse for Rose?
No. Why do you ask?
There are windows.
Oh. Who could have built those? Where's our swing?
Finally, a use for that thing.
Let's get across.
Here we go.
I don't see a way to get to Rose's room yet.
Let's get higher.
Woohoo! Bouncy!
Woo! Weird but useful.
Woohoo! I'm a superhero with a rope!
You're a clay man with a rope.
Yeah! Beware the Clayman!
Is that our pot lid?
What's it doing up here?
Looks like a pulley controls it. Cody, grab up! Hey, look, Cody, a door.
A door in a tree? I don't like it. We gotta get to Rose's room.
But can't you see how far away it is?
Yes, I can see how far away it is. That's why we gotta keep moving.
Yeah, maybe there's someone inside who can help us.
Really? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wait, what are you doing? We don't know what's inside there.
Come on, it might be a shortcut to the house.
Yeah, but what if it's not? What if it's...
Who sent you?
No one. We come in peace.
We're trying to get to the house.
The house. What's your business there?
We haven't got time for this. Is this a shortcut or not?
Great. Oh, I told you this was a bad idea.
Not helpful. Come on, help me push. It's too heavy.
Why the glass jar?
Well, at least we can see through it.
Oh, that's great, May. We're imprisoned, but the view is amazing.
Dad? Dad, I have to tell you something. It's important. Have you heard of this book by, Dr. Hakim? He says that it's important to forgive each other. Because then you can become friends again. If you want, you can borrow the book. Okay. You're busy. Sorry.
Cody, are you okay?
Yeah, it's been better, but I'm okay.
Are you working for the Wasps?
What? The wasps?
Don't play dumb. Did they send you here to kill us?
What? Kill you? No.
We're not working for any wasps.
We'll see whose side you're on. Pull a switch.
You got it, Chief. Oh, get away, get away!
Boss, it doesn't look like they're on the Wasps team. And why don't they die? Maybe they have superpowers. What if they can help us?
Let's find out. Abort.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, just about.
That was terrible.
Horrendous.
May?
Oh,
Hey!
oh my gosh.
Hey there, Mr. Big Squirrel.
Wow.
So, you want to get to the house?
Yes?
We can get you there.
Really? That's very, kind.
On one condition.
What do you mean?
Follow me.
May,
Come on.
this is a terrible idea.
Come on, Cody.
I don't want to go.
Wow, they must be real hoarders.
Hey, mate, that's our remote control. They stole it.
Those sneaky rodents. Look, our family photos. What could they want with those?
I don't know, but we look good. Hey, that's my underwear.
Hardly a loss.
You used to love that underwear.
Used to.
The wasps have invaded our tree and wiped out most of our tribe. You two must kill them.
What? We can't kill those crazy creatures. You nuts? No offense.
Don't worry, you'll just survive 2 of them.
Against a whole swarm of them, surely we'll die.
That's why you're going to need these. My latest in cyber hazelnut technology, the Tree Sap Hapshiki 57.
Oh.
Combined with a Drill Bazzer X200. Boom.
There's one more thing. We sent in an undercover agent who could operate our queen robot.
As planned, the Wasps believed the robot was their real queen. But instead of wiping out the Wasps, our agent was seduced by its power and switched sides.
So, kill the wasps and the agent in the robot, and we'll help you get to the house. Understood?
Yeah, sure, but isn't there a more civilized way that we can... Whoa! I really don't want to have to kill giant wasps.
Well, you wouldn't have to if you'd cleaned out the hive.
What? What hive?
Remember? In the real world? In our tree? I asked you so many times and you promised to get rid of it.
Yeah, fine. But we wouldn't even be here if you hadn't knocked on the squirrel's door.
Well, at least they're gonna lead us to the house.
What, are you kidding me? You believe that? I don't trust those squirrels. They stole my underwear.
Oh, believe me, that was a blessing.
Oh, really? Well, at least my underwear is now a sophisticated part of a flying machine.
Oh, I sincerely doubt it can fly.
Of course you do. Ugh.
You know what? I can't wait to get back to my real body so that we can get divorced.
Oh, me too.
May, what now?
I guess it's time to kill some wasps.
What? Alone?
Don't worry, we've got weapons.
You mean these homemade squirrel DIY drill bazzer top shikey things?
You saw how powerful they are. Let's drill, Baz.